The water meter is on the left side of the house. We're gonna come across the front of the driveway where the white flags are, under the brick, around the tree, between the tree and the driveway, and come up into the existing hole that's through the stucco. We're gonna take the landscaping line, come back the same path, and at the meter, we're gonna veer up to the right and run a 3/4 line all the way to the backflow on the left side of the house.
I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it, I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it, I like it. I'm counting colors in your eyes. I'm losing track of all my time. It's like I'm high. Tried not to slip into your blue, but I've been slipping into you. The floor is ice. Ooh, I should know, I should know, I should know better, but that's no fun. So ooh, let me down, light as a feather. When you're done, I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it, I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it, I like it. My head is looping over you like at the bar in my room. It's all the time. Butterflies making a home inside my chest, ruin my life, but it's the best out of my mind. Ooh, I should know, I should know, I should know better, but that's no fun. So ooh, let me down, light as a feather. When you're done, I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it, I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it, I like it. I can't help myself. I don't want anybody else. I can't leave it alone. Calling your phone, come take me home, yeah. Haunting me like a ghost. I'm on my toes, come take me home, yeah. You're like all that I want. Calling your phone, come take me home, yeah. I can't leave it alone. Got me come take me home, yeah. I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it, I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it, I like it. I like it, I like it.
On our 2x4s, we pre-drill holes, so that way when we drive the screw in, we don't split the wood. As you can see here, the holes, the screws go nice and clean into the wood, so you don't split the wood. So we installed these new PRVs that come with the pressure gauge on them, so that way as a homeowner, you can pop it off and see where it says 45 there. You can turn the dial and see how the numbers move, so you can increase or decrease your pressure as you see fit. And it goes all the way up to 90 pounds of pressure. So a homeowner can adjust the pressure regulator to whatever pressure they want once we install it. Everybody's different. 60 pounds is good. I have 85 at my house, and when I take a shower, I can feel the water. You know, it's not like I'm just standing in the rain. I can feel the pressure. You know, so everybody's different. The plumbing pipes in the houses can withstand up to 120 PSI. So as long as you're not exceeding that, you're not gonna have any issues inside the house.
Love was holding all the cards and always kept me in the dark. I never thought I could shake this heartache.
supports the line going outside to the connection of the main water line and the ball valve for the landscaping. And then this holds the weight for the ball valve and all of this until we connect that into there.
Jim.
I'm Connie, and I found Royalty Plumbing on the Nextdoor app.
Initially, we noticed water puddling down next to the street right by the water line, water valve actually, from coming off this main line up to the house, and we shut off all our water and we could tell right away that it was that. You know, we knew it wasn't an irrigation line, irrigation lake or whatever like that. And so we knew right away it was our water line coming from the house to the street. We have a handyman plumber that we contact for usually small jobs, and we gave him a chance to see what he could do for us, you know, after we had contacted our insurance company. It was a bigger job than what he could handle. So we created a list of 5 or 6 different other plumbers that State Farm, our insurance company, gave us, and Royalty was one of them. We made a decision on the spot after meeting with Anthony.
Right, and I'd like to say something about that. Anthony, he's the owner of Royalty Plumbing. He was so thorough in his assessment, and he, you know, explained what was happening, and if he took on the job, he explained every step in the whole process. And he even brought up some issues that the other plumbers didn't even mention, such as marking the area that he was going to trench, and call the utility companies to make sure that, you know, their lines underground wasn't going to be interfered. So he coordinated all that. He coordinated after the new line was installed, after the trench was dug. He called the city to get, you know, the permits, and it passed, fortunately. And so we're almost done on this job.
Yeah, one of the things, I mean, we thought, at least I did, I thought I had all the questions I wanted to ask and all the bases covered when Anthony got here. You know, I said I wasn't sure which direction, of course, the line was coming from, but the things that he thought of and that I never even thought that could happen, the work that he has done and doing is just almost done here now, would prevent future problems, and that was just amazing. I mean,
another thing that Anthony asked us, is would we want a temporary water line to the house, such that we wouldn't have to vacate the house for, you know, this whole week.
Yeah, I mean, we could have left the leak running. We could have left, you know, done everything like that. But he went and ran a temporary line from right past the meter into the house, so we had water into the house. We didn't have irrigation water, but that wasn't a big deal. That was just, you know, what he did. I don't know how much money he saved us doing that.
Yeah, because I know, the water bill,
That thing was
sky
spinning.
high.
You know, that thing was just like this, you know, so, wow.
Every day, Anthony's company communicated with us. It might have been his office staff or him, to let us know what's going to happen the next day, who who we could expect to arrive, a picture of that technician, and the time frame and everything.
A GPS pin even. I mean, he was able to, the app that they use is, he lets us know which technician is coming and where he's at the moment and how far along before he's even here, you know. Just,
And if we had any questions, we would communicate either through text or, through an email, and immediately we got a response, got our questions answered.
from the very first moment I met Anthony, he was very professional. So the only thing that would have surprised me if things went downhill from that. And they didn't. They just kept it just kept happening. It was just amazing. Really nice. And there was two different sets of crews that came in. There initially was the landscaping crew that rolled back we have artificial turf in our front yard. So they rolled back the turf and they trenched. And those guys were phenomenal. Quick, efficient, no goofing off. They were just business, you know.
And
But friendly.
Yeah.
And then the second crew came, laying the pipe, and I was surprised how fast it was just like, holy moly.
I'd like to include the fact that royalty, we have artificial turf, which required it to be rolled back, and then of course the trench dug, the new line laid. When it's all said and done, the royalty, the landscapers are going to put back the artificial turf and the pavers that they had to remove in order to trench. Whereas the other plumbing companies that we spoke to, they said it was up to us to get the finishing done. That is, the artificial turf, put it back in place, reinstall the pavers, and Royalty is the only company that we found that could do the complete job from start to finish. And that was very impressive to us. I would highly recommend.
Regardless of whatever job. I mean, this was a major job. I don't care if it was a toilet repair, I don't care if it was a hot water repair. I wouldn't use anybody else.
I would definitely recommend, though, getting several estimates, just so that you can compare.
Just
not
so you
only
know
the
what you're
price, not only the price, but what's included in that price, and the communication and the education that the plumber can give to you, and Royalty. I mean, after talking to Anthony, and he was the fourth plumber that we spoke to, it was like, you're hired. I mean, he was so thorough and so fair in his pricing. Unbelievable.